Well, hey there, folks. So we're going to look at a couple problems from your goal packet, and we're looking at goal 7. We're going to use the side splitter theorem. Side splitter theorem is a wonderful thing because what it does is it takes a lot less time than rewriting and redrawing triangles, and it makes things pretty quick and easy. Now, you got to be careful with side splitter. We only use side splitter when we have sides. If you were to turn your paper, and you would turn it counterclockwise for those of you thinking, you can see that this is your base, this is your base. Never use side splitter with bases. We have parallel lines as marked. We have our sides that are being split. If you turn your paper or you turn your head, you can see that we almost have a setup already of 4 over 15 is equal to x over 3x plus 6. Okay? It's pretty much written there for you. From if you look at the top point, 4 over 15, to the bottom point, x over 3x plus 6, cross multiply, so we get 15x equals 4 times 3x plus 6. So 15x equals 12x plus 24. 3x equals 24. X is 8. And you're done. Now notice how I didn't use the base in either of them, just sides. I'm going to look at 22 as well. 22, we have a little bit something different going on. Base, base. So, we can go ahead and set up to solve for x first. So let's do that. So we have 144 over 108 sides over or equal to 7x over 5x plus 2. Those are sides as well. I'm going to need a little help here. 108 times 7 equals 756x. Then over here we have, let's see, it's going to be 144 times 5x plus 2 equals, let's see what that comes out to be, 720x plus 288. I can handle that one. Subtract, and again, this is just your algebra here. 36x equals 288. Divide both sides by 36, and you're going to come out and get, I believe that's going to come out to 8. Yes, it does. So x is 8. So we're done with that. Now, to figure out what y is, well, depending on how your teacher taught you, you're going to have to make sure that either A, you redraw the triangles, or B, you are very, very careful when you look at these. We cannot use side splitter. We cannot do 144, I'll write it down, 144 over 108 equals 14 over 7. That does not work. Not with this. A side splitter, just sides. What you could do is redraw. So I'm going to go ahead, I got to save myself some room here at some point. I guess I'll just put it right here. That's fine. And this is y. The left side would be 108 plus 144, or 252. The right side is, we can actually find out what the right side is. We don't necessarily need it though. So now what we're looking at, I'm going to get rid of this. Okay. We have this side goes with this side. This side goes with this side, and now we're just matching up. So 144 over 252, yellow over yellow, equals 14 over y. Cross multiply, 144y equals 252 times 14 is 3,528. Divide, y equals 24.5, and there's your y. So you can see the difference where we use side splitter versus when we didn't use side splitter. You got to be really careful about that. When in doubt, just go ahead and redraw two triangles. That's okay. If you do that, like what I did with what I did on y, if you do that, you're going to get the right answer. Like in number 20, if you wanted to redraw those and do 6 over 6 plus x equals 24 over 66, if you followed me there, just adding your triangles up for your bigger one, that would be fine. That would take a little bit more time, but again, if you're not sure, go ahead and redraw those. Hope this helps you guys.